In episode 9, we talked about how to edit an existing level. In episode 10, we talked about how to create a level using the level tool. Today is episode 11, and we are going to talk about how to create levels using copy and array tools. I have started a new project using one of the default templates available, which is why I already have 2 levels available. I'm going to create a new level using a copy tool. Let's start by selecting level 1 and going to the copy tool. The keyboard shortcut to copy is CO. Let's start with selecting the base point and give a distance to the copied object, which is 3 meters. If you would like to create multiple copies, you may select multiple from the options bar and try to copy. Because of the multiple option, the copy command is still active, and I may keep on adding the copied object at a distance I need. If you are working on a multi-story level, where you have multiple levels at an equal distance from each other, what would be the best way to create that? Yes, the array tool. Let's try creating levels using the array tool. Let's start creating an array by selecting level 5 and go to array tool. Keyboard shortcut to array is AR. Because I want to create an array in one single linear direction, I will select the linear array here. I'll keep the group and associate option on because I'm not sure how many number of array I would like to create. Let's say I will begin with 10 array numbers. I know the distance between the first and the second level, which is why I'm going to choose move to second. I will select the base point and give the distance between the 2 objects. You will see that I have created 10 arrayed objects. When I select one of them, I'm able to change the array number from here. Let's say I want to create 15 arrays. I can simply change the array number here and change the value of my array numbers. Once you are sure how many number of arrays would you like to have in your project, you may choose not to have this dynamic connection. I can select one of the array groups here, right-click, select all instances in this view, and ungroup them. Once you ungroup an array group, you're not able to change the array number. If you notice here, all the level lines that we copied or arrayed have a black color symbol, whereas the others have blue. This only indicates that the blue highlighted level lines have a plan view associated with it, whereas the ones that we copied in array do not have a corresponding plan view. Let's say we want to have plan views for the levels that we created as well. How do we get that? Let's go to View, Plan Views, Floor Plan. It highlights all the level lines which does not already have a floor plan. I'm going to select all of them and say OK. Now I have floor plan for all the levels that I copied or arrayed. Let's go to the elevation view and check. Now all the level lines have blue colored symbols. So whenever you see a level line with a black colored symbol, it only means that it does not have a corresponding plan view. Before we move on to the next topic, you may try to follow these steps to create a copy of the level that you have in your project. Once you have a copy, you will see that the level line that you copied have a black color symbol. You may try to follow this exercise here to create plan view of the level that you copied. Once you create a plan view for that level, go back to the level line and check whether the symbol turned blue or not. In the next episode, we are going to talk about how to create grid lines. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next.